amigos, aqui de Londres com Ricardo Nunes.
Antonia, septimo.
Olha pessoal, que delícia, hein? Delícia de chocolate. Venham comer!
Venham comer.
Pessoal, na cozinha, semos fogo! Yummy, yummy!
Yummy.
Yeah.
Good afternoon from We Love Food World with Ricardo Nunes, Antonia, septimo, and
Sana!
Fire. High five. What you gonna cook today?
Cookies.
We're gonna talk today is Brownie. Say hi to everyone.
Hi, Mama.
Hi people.
Hi, people.
I'm cooking brownies.
Oh, no. I want to cook.
Mwah.
I want to cook.
Say mwah first.
Mama!
Like this. Mwah.
Ma.
Ricardo Nunes,
Antonia, septimo.
na cozinha, semos
Fogo.
fogo! Hey, hey!
Want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know a channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
If you want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know a channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
Hi people, welcome to our channel from We Love Food World with Ricardo Nunes and Antonia Septimo and Sander. Okay guys, this is our recipe today. We're gonna make it is chocolate brownies, and this is the recipe. Okay, we have all-purpose flour, soft brown sugar, and dark chocolate, and we have white chocolate and 2 eggs, extra vanilla, and soft butter. So guys, pag halo-haloin lang natin siya, just make everything. Okay people, let's begin. Okay guys, brown sugar and butter, mix it. Look at that. Amazing. Very soft butter. This is really good. Brownie is the best dessert ever, guys. Look at that. Okay people, add the vanilla. Mix again. Amazing. It smells delicious already. And we're gonna add the egg. Okay guys, add the egg. Wow. Amazing. and mix together. Oh, it's running now. Look at this. It's okay, this pork is fine. Look at that. It was amazing, guys. Okay, people. Oh. Okay guys, the chocolate chip we're gonna put in microwave in 30 seconds. Oh. Hi guys, look at this. It's only 30 seconds and already melty. But I'll mix it again and then we're gonna put in the bowl. Okay, wow, amazing chocolate. That's it. Then mix it. Wonderful. Okay guys, look at this. And then mix the flour. That's it. And mix gentle. Gentle as it gets blowing. Look at that. Amazing, yeah? Mix, people. Look at that. It's already combine everything. Look at that. Haluin. Ikot-ikot. Ayan. Sarap nito, people. Masarap po ito. Chocolate brownies. And next is, wow, the white chocolate. White chocolate. Look at that. Huwag kayong magda-diet. It's delicious. Hi guys, I'm gonna show you the recipe. So just follow the instruction and do it your home if you like it, and hopefully you like it. So and it's ready to put now and bake it. Ayan. Lagyan natin siya ng grazing paper. Wow. Just like that, people. It is delicious. Masarap po. Hola amigo, look at that. Pantay lang natin siya. Excellent. Isn't it? Okay guys, so that I'm spreading so nice and tidy. Look at that. Okay. And now I need to cut this. Okay guys, I have scissors, so I need to cut it first. That's it. Okay guys, it's time to bake. 20 minutes and 270 degrees. Okay. Oh wow, it's really hot. Mwah. Okay guys, hi. The chocolate brownies is ready. So wow, look at this. We're gonna do upside down, people. It's okay. Look at it. Oh, amazing, isn't it? So we're gonna cut it. Really easy, guys. Really easy. Hola, amiga Maria do Carmo. Ven a comer. Mwah. Hola, amiga Sandra Diaz. Ven a comer. Mwah. Mwah. Hola, amiga Carlos Diaz, Elsa Benzi, Virginia Loli, Marco Cesar, Nikki, Luis Kakang, Paola Vera, Sheila Santini. Piña comer. Mwah. Hola, amigos. Ven a comer. Mwah. Okay guys, hi. I'm gonna cut it now. This. Paano dating this one? Wow, amazing, isn't it? Amazing. Okay guys. Look at that. Okay, lagyan natin siya ng asin sugar. Wow, amazing. Look at that. Snowing. Okay. Okay, people, look at that. Hi guys. Oh my chocolate brownies are done. So hopefully you like my brownies. Please subscribe and like. Pindutin ang red button sa baba at i-like. Mwah! Love you. Bye now. God bless you. Sarap.
Olá amigos, aqui de Londres com Ricardo Nunes.
Antonia, septimo.
Olha pessoal, que delícia, hein? Delícia de chocolate. Venham comer!
Venham comer.
Pessoal, na cozinha, semos fogo! Yummy, yummy!
Yummy.
Ricardo Nunes.
Antonia, septimo.
Na cozinha, semos
Fogo.
fogo! Hey, hey.
taste all the flavors of life, you need to know. A gentle maid with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life, and what does it show? We love food world, we love food world.
With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
If you want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know. A gentle maid with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life, and what does it show? We love food